49 inches Syinix TV. Let's put it now. The remote, the banner, and the stuff. Please take good care of this and ensure you have somebody to support you when you're making this out. As you can see, this is the Syinix. Wow. So, right here is the menu, your standby, your source. It comes with two USB, one USB 2. Also comes with a slot for your memory card. So, and they also come with a slot for your earphone. CF card. So if you have a memory card, you want to watch something from the memory card, you can also slot it here. Then also comes in AV in CD2 for your viewing pleasure. Then beneath it is this is for antenna. As you can see, this is antenna. This is HDMI1, HDMI 2. This is HDMI 2. This is 1. Then it has PC audio 2. Then we have the VGA input also. Then we have the AV, and this is the Ethernet port. So you can plug in your cable here, so it can connect you to the internet, and you can watch your TV on the internet too. So below here is the speaker. Yes, this is the speaker. This is the buttons. So this is it. It comes with this wall bracket, as you can see. So you came with this wall bracket, screw the wall bracket. Same thing to the other one. Then the one for the bottom, put it also there, and ensure you screw it in very well. Screw it in screw it through like that. So once you screw, then you can use this. Once this is screwed, then you can use it to hang on the wall. So guys, we are now going into the Syinix itself. Let's see what it makes up. As you can see, it comes out with the logo first. That's what it does. Then it shows us smart TV. So hopefully dive into the TV in details and let's see what it's made of. So as you can see, it comes with a blue screen. So this is the Syinix 49 inches smart TV. It's a full HD TV. It comes with Boomplay, YouTube, meaning that it's connected to the internet, so it's a smart TV for you to enjoy. Let's go to the input source. Yeah, it comes with different source: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV2, AV1. As you can see, and it also comes with TV input. So all this make us it also comes with the VGA input too. So this is the HDMI input. So the comes with 1080i at 50 Hz. It has an limited volume. So let's check out the volume of the Syinix.
and great training like the Multichip Talent Factory, Africa will be one of the leading continents in the creative industry in the future, and I hope to be part of that change. I hope to leave a legacy of a kid from a small town making it big in the world, to inspire these young kids who believe.
So as you can see, visual quality, this is beautiful. As you can see for yourself. So you can see the quality, color, brightness, sharpness. Yeah, this is a good TV. Our price. The dollar rate is around about $800. Yes, for this smart TV, around $800. But here in Nigeria, it is 344,500 naira. That's according to the price I found it. So on Konga, I saw it at 344,500 and roughly about $800. As you can see, the Syinix is a smart TV and is a 49 inches TV. It comes with its own warranty from the manufacturer CarCare. It comes with a 24 plus 1 months warranty, and the customer care, those that produce it, their care is CarCare. And if you know CarCare, they are the one who distributes Techno and Infinix in Nigeria. It's an Android 4.4, YouTube, e-chairs, so it comes with boom plate, every other thing you can think of in a smart TV. Then, as we can also delve in, that the Syinix TV has its power rate to be 110. It is made in China and designed by Syinix in Japan, assembled in Tunisia by Electro Industries. So, and here in Nigeria, it's been distributed by the same company here in Nigeria, which is CarCare. This is the brand you are seeing today, Syinix 49 Smart TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have a comment, please drop it below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Lappy Phone, and hope to see you in the next episode. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.